Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching me from. Guys, in today's video, you're going to learn about this beautiful residence here in Zambia, which is called Kansenshi Extension. But this Kansenshi Extension is being divided. There is a road behind me, this road that you're seeing, where it is being demarcated, it is called Mitengo. So right now, right here, I'm in Kansenshi Extension, where I'm showing you these places. So guys, being in these kinds of places, like I told you in my last video to say, it is something so amazing, such that you are good to know what area you are in, or you are good to know in which kind of a place where you are living in, or where you want to live in, because these are no bad place such that you cannot think of staying here. Everybody wants to live well. Everyone wants to live well. You can see this beautiful house here, guys. So it's so each and every time, whenever you want to live in a certain place, whenever you want to live in a certain place, there is that confidence to say, I can afford that place, I can afford that place. And depends on how much you have in your pocket, or depend on how much you earn per month. And these kinds of places, they will enable you, the money will enable you desire the places that you want to live in. So guys, this is one of the beautiful area. This is one of the beautiful residential area here in Zambia that you will never want to miss to live in. Even me, I dream to live in this kind of area. The peace itself, the peace, the environment. Let me just sit even down. I talk to you a bit.
Standing in the bottom room.
Find your dream house here. This area, you're going to find it as you are going to Mitengo. I'm telling you, this is a beautiful place. I can say this road is what separates Mitengo and the Kansenshi Extension. Guys, this is one of the beautiful place. Just look at how people, they are living their house, the road, hey, the surrounding. It's a very neat, as if you're not in Zambia. Hey, Jesus Christ. I dream to have a house near or within these kind of places, because these places, they're too peaceful. When you look at this place, when you look at the surrounding itself, in your eyes, is the surrounding not looking so expensive? Or to you, the surrounding is so cheap? But in my eyes, to say the truth, guys, I'll tell you to say the environment is so expensive. And these are some of the places that we call the rich heights in these kinds of places, where it is cool, so peaceful, no a lot of people. You are not going to see anyone around like, okay, this is the kid around there or there and there. No, everybody in the world requires peace, and everyone wants to have that peace of mind, where you're just quiet, you're trying to meditate on some of the things, and then uh, rich people, they don't want people who are going to trouble them. Rich people, they want places that are not going to be so noisy. They need places that are going to give them comfort. Whenever they are sleeping, they know that they are sleeping there. So this is Chibimbi Villa here in Kansenshi. Chibimbi Villa. This will be a big house. Let's look at this one. It's gonna be bigger, a big house. And this one, that we made it, guys. Balimenda wamambala bara beauty bara pange bakwikala pakula. Ngawalanda ti okay. Kane if go even guys ngatrakura ifya. I love the tank. Just love the tank. And this, I don't know what they call this tree. The road is so smooth. So my lovely people, this is the area that you didn't know here in Zambia, and this is the place here in Zambia called Kansenshi Extension or Kansenshi Infield. So we are going to explore more of this place. You're going to see a lot of this place, and I hope you're going to admire some of the houses that are here. You're going to admire some of the things here. You see, something has really shocked me. Like, I'm filming videos here and looking at where I'm coming from. I'm coming from a very far distance, but somebody just say hi to me. Hey, Timothy. I was like, yeah, I'm recognized in these places, and I'm so happy. Being recognized in this kind of places, it is so amazing. I was shocked. Sometimes I'm even shocked. Like somebody just come out and say your name, Timothy. Hey, you look at that person and okay, where did I see this person? So I was shocked. I was like, so this person, how did he get to know me? How did he get to know me? So guys, it is so amazing when somebody recognizes you from a place that you didn't expect that this person is going to recognize me. It is so amazing, and I feel proud of myself. Like, what I'm doing, this is a great thing. And guys, so if you see me in your street one day, just say hi to me. I'll feel good. Or just come and greet me. I'll even feel much better, and I will feel encouraged to continue to do what I'm doing, because anyway, I feel so blessed and encouraged to see that people, they can recognize me in the street of this Ndola. Anyway, people, they can recognize me because I've done so many number of videos here in this street of Ndola. So some of them, they can recognize me.